Yo, what is going on, car people of this world? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. We are here back in the, we'll call it a submarine for now, the LS 430. Good news, we're getting the tint removed hopefully this week. We'll see, I'll keep you updated on that. And the new tint will be installed, that's very exciting. But today we have something probably even more, well, it's definitely more exciting than the window tint. This is probably the most exciting thing that will ever happen to this car, and probably one of the most exciting things that have ever happened on the channel. Yeah, I gotta head back to my house, about 20 minutes out. We got Ed meeting us there, super excited, haven't seen him in a long time, and we're gonna go have some fun with the Lexus LS's. We're gonna go for a cruise, get some rollers, and we'll have a fun time. But first, we're gonna have to reveal the secret. I'm excited, I know you guys are gonna love this. Yeah, let's just go, let's go. Just rolled back up to the house. The tint is looking majorly see-through. You can actually like see the seat right there, which is kind of funny, but check it out. So Ed just rolled up, and dude, you've been getting these sick Insta360 shots, right?
Yeah, I know, dude. I freaking,
What?
I'm so bad, dude.
No, tell us about your Insta360 shots you've been recently getting.
So I have a new setup. It's called the dome setup. So
okay.
Essentially, I found this new way of... Cold start. Oh no. What happens when you're low, buddy?
Well, boys, we are in good company for this reveal. We're here with Ed. Thanks for pulling up. And we also have the 460 sitting in the background. I have literally been waiting to show you guys this for, seriously, it's been a year. This month.
Feels like 3 years.
This month will be an actual year. I forget what the date was that I ordered it last year, but it's been a whole year. So it's well overdue that I've needed to show you guys that I ordered, and this will be the first car that I have ever owned that I will be putting on air suspension. That is right. I ordered a P3 air suspension kit for my LS430 last year, and I got an amazing deal on it, and I just haven't installed it yet. But now you guys know it's gonna go in soon. So check it out. Front airbags right here, and of course the tank. So there we have it. Air suspension is revealed. As far as a timeline on when this gets installed, I still actually don't know, because I would love to install this entire kit myself. That's something that I really want to do with this car. The entire refurb and the entire build I want to do myself. Now, like I've said before, we're not going crazy with this car. We're not going like all out. We're not going to do an exhaust. But the air suspension is justified because our front right bag, this car comes stock with air suspension, is leaking. So every time I turn on the car, this side is always a little bit lower, and you hear the compressor always running to keep air in this bag. So here's the two options. Option A, I install it myself in my shop. Option B, we pay to get it installed, and we don't learn anything. We pay a lot of money, and it's guaranteed to work though.
Or you pay me to do it.
No, that's not an option. One of my biggest concerns with this suspension kit is the fact that the current suspension on the 430 is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's seriously
like you're on a cloud. Even
absolutely
over bumps.
Yes, it is the best thing you will ever experience outside of a Rolls Royce. This thing is a budget Rolls Royce in, you know, as far as I'm concerned. So the one thing that I am a little concerned about is the fact if it's going to really jeopardize the ride experience, which I don't think it will too much, because I'm pretty sure we can soften the bags.
Still air suspension You're just replacing it with kind of a better version. Right?
Yes, I agree. All right, we're gonna get the air performance kit all boxed up and put back in my room where it will probably sit for many more weeks before it gets installed. But now that you guys know, there's pressure on me to get it installed, which is good because I need to get it installed. We're gonna get all this wrapped up and we're gonna take the two LSs for a cruise because I've never done that before. I've never taken them both out, so this should be fun. We're gonna grab the Insta360, which looks like Ed's got a massive antenna sticking off the top of his car. We'll get some cool shots. We'll bring the drone. It'll be a lot of fun. Throwing the kit in the trunk of the 430. Hopefully that will keep it in my way and obnoxious. So the only thing I can do is install it. This is so sick. That car looks absolutely insane in the rear view mirror. That is so fun. We got the Insta360 hanging off the back. We also got the Cybertruck pulling up right there. We're headed off to the gas station. Hopefully these will be some cool shots. All right, so it's a new day and pretty much, I hate to say it, but long story, oh, you're a little dirty here. Long story short, my Insta360 camera had the wrong SD card in it or something like that, so none of the clips that we filmed were gathered. So we're gonna try this again. We got the LS460 and the LS430. Good thing is it's a little chilly out today, so you're gonna get to hear a proper cold start, which is always a good time. Ed was gracious enough to pull back up and give us another hand, and we also have a new member to the channel right here. We got Billy. He's gonna be on the camera today, getting some shots of the 460 while I get shots of the 430 in the 460, filming the 430. Massive thank you to Ed and Billy for helping me get those shots. Super appreciative about that. We're gonna help them get some shots of their cars now because apparently Billy's lacking on his parking skills, number one. That should be much closer. And number two, he's lacking on the shots for his car. So we're gonna give him a hand. Cold start, warm start. Not bad, could be better. I think we've been in Ed's car before on film, but
it's been a minute.
If not, yeah, it's been a little while. Reintroduction.
Yeah, so we have a 2021 M440i, tuned on JB4, catless downpipe, which he helped me install actually. Did it pretty much himself. CTS turbo intake, exhaust, custom rod stuff and trans tune, and testing up with some E30 right now, so it's kind of spicy.
Very spicy, yeah. Holy crap. That is so fast. Wow, yeah. Like, I wish, imagine my Lexus pulling that hard, dude. That'd be crazy, dude.
That'd be a fun,
wow.
It's like a fun little power slide.
Gosh, dude, it just absolutely rips. My batteries came flying out of I don't even know where. All right, we're hopping in the truck. Yo, do not go fast, bro. I might legitimately fall out. All right. Wow, it sounds really good, dude. Your car sounds great back here. Wow, the fumes in here are really bad though, I'll tell you that. So this has turned into a drone flying extravaganza here.
No,
oh. Oh.
No, I'm offended. That's return to home.
Oh, so he crashed his.
Battery's dying.
Oh, shoot.
Looks like you're in outer space. What was that, Sam? Was that one of your friends?
It's so funny too because whenever Ed graciously lets me drive this car, it feels so much slower in the driver's seat. Like passenger seat, the experience is so much better.
It's the same way.
It is so cool. It is now 2 days later and I totally forgot to end the video. So let's wrap this thing up. I'm so excited. We are bagging the Lexus LS 430. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait for it. I don't know when it's gonna happen yet, but it'll be good. I'm so stoked for it. Stay tuned for next video because we got the tint changed as of today. We got the tint changed on the front of this car and it looks so good. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It is literally exactly what I was expecting and so much more. So stay tuned. As always, thank you so much for giving me your time today. I hope it was worth it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're just about as excited as I am to get the bags on the LS 430. But as for now, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.